In this video, we're going to explain the application and removal process for GelMoment. It's important that you follow the instructions because skipping important steps in the application process could result in an unsatisfactory manicure that's unlikely to last up to 14 days. Have all your GelMoment products and accessories ready and close by. This includes our cuticle pusher, our nail file, our cleanser, your favorite polish, and our LED lamp. Smooth out your nails using our GelMoment nail file. Buff the surface of the nail well, including the corners. Only buff, don't polish or shine, because over-buffing damages the nail bed and weakens your nails. Buffing will help remove any natural oils from the nail surface to allow for a better application. Smooth tips will reduce the chance of the polish chipping. If you'd like to push back your cuticles with our cuticle pusher, be very gentle as damaged cuticles absorb moisture that could affect the durability of your polish. Wipe the nail clean with GelMoment nail cleansers. Be sure to clean nails thoroughly, including the sides of the nail bed and under the nail tips. Make sure the nail is clean and dry before applying your polish. Do not use dish soaps or creams to cleanse your nails. They might cause peeling or cause the gel polish to slide off the nail. Cleansing is your last step before applying GelMoment polish. Failing to dry your nails properly after cleansing could cause difficulty applying the gel polish as it may recede from the edges of your nail. Before applying the polish, gently roll the bottle between the palms of your hands. The goal is not to overmix or to shake the gel, as that can cause bubbling during application. Apply a very thin coat of gel polish. If you do choose to use more than one coat, make sure they're thin coats and cure between each one. Thin coats will cure thoroughly, avoiding any bubbling or lifting. Avoid getting any polish on your skin or cuticles, as this can cause it to peel. Be sure to remove any excess gel polish that does end up on your skin or cuticles before you cure. The gel polish wipes off easily with a tissue or cotton swab. If you mistakenly leave some on the cuticle or the skin after curing, you can use the GelMoment removers to clean it off. For best results, also apply the polish over the tips of your nails. Move your polish away from the GelMoment LED lamp, as having it nearby when you cure your polish might render it unusable because it will thicken. When you're ready, cure your nails under the LED lamp. It will switch off after 60 seconds for the classic lamp or 45 seconds if you're using our professional lamp. Our classic lamp can handle 1 or 2 fingers at a time, so you would simply cure one finger and then cure the next 2 and then the next 2. This way you can complete your entire hand within about 3 minutes. Then repeat the whole process for your second hand. If you do desire to have more than one coat, you would repeat this entire process and then cure them all again between each coat. If you'd like to do nail art, you can also cure between each design. We think you'll love how durable and long-lasting your manicures with GelMoment are. When you're ready to remove your manicure, it's important to follow our process. Trying to remove the gel polish in any other way can damage your nails by causing thinning and weakness. To remove the gel polish, simply use the GelMoment remover pads. Tear across the dotted line and remove the adhesive strip. Place your nail inside the pouch with the nail pressed against the moist pad. It's a good idea to prepare all 5 remover pads so you're ready to go. For each finger, you're going to take the remover pad and check the sticky side and point it down. Then double check that you're inserting your finger so that the moist remover is on top of the polish. Tighten it around your finger and then seal with the sticky tape on the back, folding it around your finger as tightly as you can to make sure there's contact between the remover and the polish. For best results, use in conjunction with the GelMoment remover clips. These will secure the pouch onto your nail without any worry of them slipping off as you move about. Leave the pouch on your nail for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your nail type, and then remove. It's important to allow enough time for the removers to work, so depending on your nail type or how many coats of polish you've applied might affect whether you need to leave them on for 5 or 10 minutes. When ready and you've removed the pouch, use the GelMoment cuticle pusher to eliminate any residue. Without using excessive force, gently scrape off any gel polish. Excess scraping may be damaging to the nail over time. Depending on your nail type, certain colors might also leave a light stain on your nail. You can buff your nails gently using the soft side of our GelMoment nail file to remove any excess polish stains from darker colors. And there you have it. Simple, safe, and beautiful.